Now I want to show you the simplest strategy in this video on how to use your smartphone and your computer, and it's free worldwide, where you can register yourself and start making money. In Kenya today, you are the person I'm looking for, because on this website is going to pay you doing small tasks, and you'll get your money right away after you finish these tasks, and you'll get the proof to show you at the end of this video on how you're going to celebrate and how you're going to get all this your money in your account, and you'll have to celebrate, and you'll have to confirm all this at the end of this video. Stay tuned, because you'll see most of this and you'll never miss again. Thank you once again, and welcome to ARNEST DJ. Today I want to talk about Cloud Factory. As you have seen in the first place, I want to show you this website where you'll work online, especially when you are a Kenyan young freelancer. Now, Cloud Factory is a company that works online. First of all, you need to have your computer, you need to have internet, and then you need also some few skills of digital age. Of course, Cloud Factory offers a flexible, it's part-time online job, as well as an opportunity to positively impact your community while contributing to global economy. I want you to do me a favor and search for ARNEST Digits and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Become a family, and let's share more on how to make money online with you. So you can become a worker at Cloud Factory and start making money online and get paid. Some of you have been with these minds and thinking that maybe online jobs do not pay. But today I want to change your narrative and want to change your mind that there are companies online that they provide you with work online and work from home jobs and careers that you can do. As long as you have computer skills, you are able to do these jobs very easily. You can become their worker. Recently they have opened up opportunities for people, and I don't know why. When I tried out, and then we shall see whether it's working or not. When you have your laptop, your computer, you can do this while at home, and then your internet should be also very strong, because you'll be working online. Okay, now my name is ARNEST Digits, and if you know of this video and you want to know how to apply and become a worker at cloudfactory.co.ke and also get paid online instantly, now listen to this video and watch and subscribe and share with your friends and family wherever you are. Always make sure you subscribe and get these videos inside the first one to receive these notifications very quickly. Now, can we go through this Cloud Factory? Because number one is free of charge. If you are in Kenya, it's free of charge. You sign up and take a test and see if you have what it takes. And remember, they also train you. So if you have got the skills, all you need to do is a computer and a web browser and a reliable internet access to work for Cloud Factory. As I said, you work from home, anywhere, anytime, and then get paid timely. Of course, be the change. Develop personal leadership skills that will help you to serve. Okay, now their process of hiring is just simple. What you have to do, you apply, you fill out the application form on the website, then onboarding assessment, take our onboard test. You see, so you will be required to fill in your skills and what you do best, and then what happens next is you will be assessed. Do not fear about the assessment, because however much times you repeat, you fail, you repeat again, you do it again until you get it right. Okay, and then there will be also an assessment and interview once you pass the test, and then the training. Now this is the best part that I love. Why? Because you'll do the training, they'll have to give you hand-on training until your skills are very sharp, and then they will offer you start working. You are ready to go. So fill out the application form. You can click on this one, and then you can see some of the workers that have been selected and how they talk about this. Now, can I take you something here? There's something here I wanted us to look at before we go. That is what we call social mission. What does this Cloud Factory stand for? So their values, one of the values is that you need to have good character. Okay, we believe that leadership is a combination of a character. So whatever you want to do in life and whatever you do, they'll impact you with character, and you have to be very smart. And at each weekly team meetings, and then employees spend time learning and discussing on applying one of 40 character principles. Okay, and then they need you to also be competent. As a cloud worker, you'll gain skills critical for success. These skills will help you to work in this country and even in your future companies that you'll work for, and the skills that will provide you a strong foundation on thriving global economy. Okay, and then you'll also join the communities. That's the best thing with Cloud Factory. You'll learn a lot. If you feel this video is quite too short and you haven't had enough, what you have to do when you visit this website, what you have to do is you can check some of the frequently asked questions. Take for example, what kind of online work do I need to do? Cloud Factory provides a variety of data entry jobs such as data extraction from images or documents, audio transcription, data moderation, data analysis, and much more. So you have everything that you can do, and even if you don't have any much training but you know computer, you can do this. Okay, do I need any payment to attend trainings? Of course not. Depending on the type of task, you are not going to pay anything. It's free of charge, and most of the trainings are in person to promote team interaction. Okay, is there any time scheduled to do the task, or can I do them at home? The work hours are flexible. So this one is a freelance job. What you have to do is you pick your own hours and then attend to the gig. When done is when you submit your job after you have finished. You can read about the blog. Let's see the blog, what it talks about, and what some of their writing, what does Cloud Factory Kenya blog speaks about. So this is the blog. As you can see, you can read more, and then let's talk about